Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a Samsung Galaxy F23. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Then go into voice and here voice match option. Now tap on this feature to activate Hey Google. Now you give access to your assistant, tap next and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google option is ready to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.